Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here on the Scoop Studio at Prod17 2017. And I'm joined by Alex from UMeanTech and Michael from Aegis. Alex, you've just introduced Factory Logic's MPI, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But first of all, tell me a little bit about UMeanTech.
We are NPI manufacturer. We are dealing with small batches and every time new products. Our company exists from 2004.
And what kind of size? What kind of number of employees?
We have 30 employees.
Okay.
2 lines.
Yeah. Okay. And your customers? What kind of industry are they in?
Mostly the customers are all military, avionic, or medical.
Okay.
It's 90% of the customers.
So very demanding customers, and that's probably part of the motivation in looking at something that has the level of traceability of Factory Logic's. You selected an MPI software. What made you choose Factory Logic's?
I selected MPI software because we just own the new lines from UK, and we want to find the tools how to enter fast for production with the new lines, because before we have Yamaha lines and it was easy for us, but to handle the new lines with new formats of files, absolutely new concept, and we must find some kind of solution for NPI, fast NPI, and we found Aegis with very nice tool from NPI, and then I decided to visit Aegis for live demo, and it was perfect demo, and give us a fast solution for entries with the new lines what we choose.
Yeah. And Michael, from your point of view, when someone like Alex from UMeanTech comes with that requirement, is that a typical requirement? Is it that need for fast changeover, fast product introduction with the traceability that people are typically looking for?
It's all they want to do. And so the machine vendors are very happy because the data is complete and everything flows nicely. And so this is the kind of modern demand really from customers for this flexibility.
Yeah. And Alex, once you've chosen a piece of software, that's just a part of it. Then you've got to do the installation, you've got training, you've got all that process as the stuff goes in. That can be challenging as the IT groups and the operational people get together. How was that experience?
The experience was great. Aegis have very great support, very great personals, and they provide us very, very fast and very good support. And we found this software not only for the initial needing. We found that this software can provide us much more. Yeah, of course. And one more important thing, that the person who dealing with software, they are very love with software.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a great user experience from the user's point of view. That's important. But for you, you've seen potential elsewhere for the software as that develops through the business. What does it mean to your customers and also to potentially the business that you can win as a result of being able to manage so many new product introductions?
Now for us much easier to manage, for example, the revision of assembly. It was much difficult before, and now we can compare the revision, can send the details of compare to customers, thousands of different reports of mismatch between inside the bombs or assembly. It's not correct, and of course it helps us to avoid the mistakes before assembly.
Yeah, fantastic. And Michael, is this a fairly typical installation, where you actually come in to solve a particular problem, but once you're inside, there's a whole new world of potential that shows up?
Yeah, I mean, most people approach software as being something that is like a tool, something that's needed. To hear somebody say they love using the software, I mean, that's a very modern thing, and I think modern software is what takes you there. But it's great to hear that, because it means that we're solving a problem in a way that's great for people to use. So you can then start to see, well, if this is so good, what else can I do? Where can I take the data next? What is the expansion port? And if it's all on the same platform, it's all going to be completely compatible.
Yeah. Yeah, and the fact that the business owners, the business managers are getting what they want out of it, but the fact that users are getting a good experience is really important to you as well. So where do you see this? Where do you see this taking the business? Obviously, more applications in the smart factory, but that's going to help you fuel business growth.
Yes, it's definitely help, and we choose to increase our cooperation with Aegis, and we just buy more modules for because people really love to work it, and it's help us for traceability, for everything.
As that goes through the various processes in the factory, having all that connected software is important.
It's important, yes, because first of all, paperless, and you can see exactly what you need to do.
Yeah.
So it helps to people to understand easy what we need to do.
Yeah.
Instead of explaining them each time, okay, now you need to do this and this, and then this and this. Yeah, of course,
Guys, thanks very much for talking to me. Thanks for explaining the situation. Sounds like it's just the start of a very important collaboration. I look forward to being back here maybe in a couple of years and updating and finding out how you've grown and how the use of Factory Logics has helped you do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.